Have you ever wondered why hitting $20,000 in savings or investments can feel like a complete game changer? It's not just a number. Reaching this milestone often shifts your mindset, making you think bigger, plan smarter, and notice opportunities you might have missed before. Psychologically, it's proof that your consistency and discipline are paying off, and financially, it gives you more freedom to diversify, take calculated risks, and make smarter moves without the fear that small mistakes could ruin everything. Crossing $20,000 doesn't magically make you wealthy overnight, but it unlocks momentum, confidence, and a clearer path to bigger goals. It's like reaching the next level in a game. Things don't happen instantly, but suddenly the right decisions feel possible, and your options expand in ways they never did before. So if you're working toward that milestone, focus on the growth, the skills, and the mindset, because that's what truly changes everything. Reaching $20,000 in savings or investments often feels like a turning point, not because the number itself is magical, but because of what it represents. By the time you reach this milestone, you've already built discipline, consistency, and smart financial habits, and that changes the way you think about money. Small mistakes stop feeling scary because you have breathing room, and instead of reacting emotionally, you start making calm, calculated decisions. You gain confidence to diversify, plan long-term, and notice opportunities you may have ignored before. Momentum starts working in your favor, and progress feels easier because your systems are already in place. Crossing $20,000 doesn't make you rich overnight, but it shifts your mindset, expands your options, and proves to you that bigger financial goals are possible, making it feel like reaching the next level, where growth becomes clearer and the path forward finally makes sense.